Y'all, it's Thanksgiving Day, and do you guys know what I would rather be doing than cooking in the rain?
No, what?
Nothing.
It's really nice, isn't it?
I love to cook in the rain. In fact, I could do a whole week's worth of cooking if it rains on me. Over here, Bobby is going to be making garlic and rosemary oven roasted potatoes. Jamie's working on my marinade for the honey game hens.
No, Mama, I like the idea of the corn skins because we eat lots of turkey anyway. That's not just a Thanksgiving Day thing for us.
Yeah.
So I like the idea.
To me, the greatest part about it is nobody's fighting for their favorite piece.
Right.
All right, Jamie, what are you doing with that spoon?
It's just as easy to use a spoon as a peeler. It's
Can
just
I try
that easy.
that?
Give it a try.
I would never have thought to use a spoon on ginger. That's great.
It's simple.
That's easier than that potato peeler. And Bobby, how are you coming, son?
I'm just getting these ready to season with a little olive oil, a little salt, pepper, a little rosemary, fresh garlic.
Show me what you're going to do.
I'm going to take the olive oil. That's roughly a cup of olive oil. I'm going to add a little bit of it.
Yeah. Whoa!
Did I spill something?
Like son, like mama.
You know.
Okay, well, I think I would like some kosher salt. I like the...
I do too. I love that. It's so flavorful.
Yeah. And some fresh black pepper.
Mm-hmm.
And I would just toss those in that oil like that.
Oh,
Yeah.
I forgot the garlic, Mom.
Okay, yeah, throw in the garlic. Put it all in, son.
Okay.
All right, now, how about stripping some of your rosemary
the
and
rosemary.
put in
I almost forgot.
Yeah.
If I can do it without getting all the biggest limbs in there.
Oh, that's great.
And we're, so lucky that we can grow this stuff practically year-round, have all these fresh
We
ingredients.
certainly can. So that finishes your dish, doesn't it? We're gonna put them in a 350 preheated degree oven. We got that on 350, Bobby?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're gonna bake these for 1 hour so you can see how short your time is compared to a big old turkey. All right, son, if you'd get that door open for me. This pan, I'm using a cast iron pan and it's real heavy.
Gertie's not gonna miss the dinner bell.
Gertie's not moving. You see?
No, it is heavy.
It's heavy as lead.
Gosh, it smells so good.
Jamie, try the potatoes.
Let me have one.
All right, you can't leave that on the platter, son, or Pawpaw will know we've been eating without him. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.